Hi everybody, let's all Leetcode 2928 distribute candies, which is part 1. Okay, so the question is, we have 3 children and we have n number of candies and there is an integer given as limit. So each children, we should not give chocolates, candies, which is greater than limit. So we have to find the number of ways such that how we can distribute candies among the children. For example, if there are 5 chocolates and 2 is the limit, then these are the different number of ways we can distribute the candy. 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, or 1, 2, 2. Any other way, for example, if I take a 0 somewhere, then I would have to distribute as 3, 2 or 4, 1. These are all invalid cases as the number of elements is exceeding the limit. So the answer for our case is 3. So how do we solve this problem? One idea from the constraints we should get is that because the n value and the limit value is so less, the brute force solution should work here. And what would be the brute force solution? Let us say C1 is the number of candies given to child 1, C2 is number of candies to child 2. I will write simple 2 for loops where C1 ranges from 0 to limit, and inside this another for loop where C2 ranges from 0 to limit. Inside this I can get C3, which is the number of candies remaining for the third child, which would be n minus C1 minus C2. If C3 is greater than or equal to 0 and if C3 is less than limit, this is a valid case. In this condition, I can do answer as plus plus and initialize the answer as 0, and we can return the answer over here. So this is a very straightforward solution with traversing all the brute force cases. We'll see how to implement this case. Let's implement the code which we just discussed. First I will initialize an answer variable as 0. Now for int C1, the number of candies for the first child, and C1 cannot be greater than limit. No child means more than, okay, less than or equal to limit, and C1 plus plus. Inside this I am initializing another variable C2, which is number of candies for the second child. This can also range between 0 to limit, and C2 plus plus. Now our C3 would be equal to n minus C1 minus C2. This is the number of remaining candies for the third child. If the number of remaining candies for the third child is valid, that is greater than or equal to 0, and that is it should be less than limit, I will increment the answer, return answer. Okay, let us see. And submit. It works. Thank you so much.